This video covers a variety of iCloud tricks for iPhone backups. When cloud storage is or isn't enough. How to back up iPhone on iCloud automatically. Launch the Settings tab on your iPhone. Scroll the screen and select iCloud ... in the iCloud tab. Scroll down and choose Backup. Toggle the key right to enable automatic iPhone backup to iCloud. Part 3. How to back up iPhone to iCloud when cloud storage is insufficient. Method 1. Buy more iCloud storage space. Method 2. Disable the backup feature for some iPhone files. Method 3. Free up iCloud storage. You can also delete some unnecessary files in iCloud, such as photos, videos, messages, etc., to free up available iCloud space. Part 4. Restore iPhone backup from iCloud. If you want to selectively recover data from iCloud backup without data loss, then you must not miss a professional iPhone data recovery tool, Mobican Doctor for iOS. How to restore iPhone from iCloud backup using Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Run Doctor for iOS on your computer after downloading and installing. Select Recover from iCloud from the left sidebar of the primary interface. Step 2. Select the category of data you want to recover and click Next. Step 3. The file categories you selected will all be downloaded. Now, you can preview and select the data you want to recover, including contacts, photos, notes, calendars, and reminders. Then, click Recover to Computer to save them on your computer.